Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to increase touch sensitivity on iPhone. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. As of my last knowledge update, iOS doesn't have a built-in feature to directly adjust touch sensitivity. However, there are some general tips you can try to enhance the responsiveness of the touchscreen on your iPhone. So firstly, ensure that your iPhone screen is clean. Dirt, oils, or residues on the screen can affect touch sensitivity. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to clean the screen. Now, if you are using a screen protector or a case that covers the screen, it might affect touch sensitivity. Consider removing them to see if it makes a difference. Another method: sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary issues. Turn off your iPhone and then turn it back on. Another method: make sure your iPhone is running to the latest version of iOS device. Apple regularly releases updates that may include improvements and bug fixes. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.